invisible force of nature. Gears and engines. We reshape production and free our hands. Data and algorithms. Now, we are powered by intelligence. Standing at the turning point of intelligent transformation, intelligence drives what's next, making the impossible possible. KENGIC is an end-to-end digital and intelligent solutions provider for manufacturing and distribution across all scenarios. With proprietary core technologies and products, we empower industries to upgrade and grow sustainably through automation, digitalization, and intelligence. Together with our partners, we are shaping the future of industry, side by side, step by step. Smart logistics powered by intelligence. We engineer efficient, automated distribution networks with advanced sorting, conveying, and distribution center solutions. By breaking time limits and connecting diverse logistics scenarios into one seamless flow, we help businesses move faster, operate smarter, and lead with speed. Smart factories run on data. We built the smart factories of tomorrow. Through software platforms powered by IoT and digital twins, we deeply integrate intelligent equipment with information networks, creating synergy across production, quality control, and supply chains. From raw materials inbound through process flow to finished products outbound, we evolve physical logistics into intelligent IoT, achieving precise control and dynamic optimization throughout every stage of production, pushing each cycle towards new heights. New energy development driven by innovation. From the lithium battery, energy storage, and broader new energy industries, we deliver integrated logistics and custom intelligent production line solutions. By connecting production and logistics seamlessly, we help new energy enterprises build green, intelligent, and efficient operational models, propelling them to new heights in the era of renewable energy. Evolving from a follower to a leader, KENGIC's state-of-the-art 86,000 square meter digital industrial park features agile and intelligent workshops and self-developed and reliable supply chains. Each product is crafted with precision and reliability, ensuring transparent, high-quality delivery from concept to completion, redefining standards for speed and reliability. We listen deeply to clients' needs, understand their pain points, and address them with precision. Built on technology, powered by products, and driven by solutions, we bridge innovation with value, enabling intelligent transformation across every manufacturing and distribution scenario. From conveying and sorting to smart warehousing, from workshop logistics to custom automation, we dive deep into every scenario through data-driven decision-making and intelligent process optimization. We help clients transform and evolve in the digital era. We are mapping the world as a pioneer with 1,300 projects across 25 countries, helping businesses expand globally through open collaboration. Global footprint continues to grow with localized service teams rooted in every market. With 24/7 responsive services, we use technology to bridge time zones and share the power of Chinese innovation with the world. When experience becomes digital DNA, standardized processes ensure sustainability. When modular products and digital technologies form the foundation of innovation, and intelligent decisions guide every step. We truly understand and integrate every client's unique need into solutions. KENGIC aspires to become a trusted global partner, a talent empowerment hub, and an influential industry leader. We believe in openness and shared progress. Through intelligence, we unlock potential. Through technology, we reshape industries. Through partnership, we move forward together towards a smarter, brighter future.